Morning, boys. Tonight we're gonna draw Raff from Ben 10 Alien Force. Raff basically is the second in command guy in like 14 star systems. He was an ally. He's an ally for the Incursion Empire, and well, he's part of a highly sufficient and highly intelligent race. To draw Raff, we started off with the eyes, then the rest of his brain. This won't take long. Now we draw the rest of his arms. And finished. That is how you draw Raff. I'm proud you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And watch what new character I'm going to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.